Carl Benz. Carl Benz was born in Germany. When he was only 2 years old, his father met with an accident and was killed in it. He had to lead his childhood in poverty. It was the desire of his mother to impart him good education. Carl Benz was a student of sharp mind. He completed his degree in mechanical engineering from Karlsruhe Polytechnic University. Carl Benz was very imaginative and creative from his childhood. He used to go to school on foot. Later on, his mother managed a bicycle for him. The germs of a horseless cart crept in his mind during his student life. That grew in him in the form of modern automobile. He was the first man of the world who designed and built a vehicle which could run without horses. It could run from an automobile engine. Carl Benz invented a gasoline-fueled car. It was a 3-wheeled car. Later on, he built a 4-wheeled car in 1891. Catherine Burr Blodgett. Catherine Burr Blodgett was the first woman who was granted a PhD from the prestigious University of Cambridge. She was born on 10th January 1898 in Schenectady in New York. After completing her master's degree in 1920, she was hired as a research scientist by the General Electric, where her father was a patent attorney. She was also among the first women to be hired as a scientist in General Electric Laboratory in New York. During her work as a scientist, she, along with Langmuir, worked on monomolecular coatings, which were designed for covering water, metal, and glass surfaces. In 1938, he used those coatings on the glass surface and made the glass 99% non-reflective. Therefore, she was the first to invent a non-reflective glass in the world. These non-reflective coatings are known by the name Langmuir-Blodgett film. She also invented a method of measuring molecular coatings which were known as color gauge. She passed away on 12th October 1979. Laszlo Biro. Laszlo Biro brought about a revolution in the field of education. He is an inventor of the ballpoint pen. Modern technologies are changing the world all around. But a few like this are really no less than revolutions. He proposed a new design to the pen and brought many changes in the invention. His pens are given a name known as Biro, after his name, because Biro pens are widely referred to be the world's registered trademark for better handwriting. The ease that is provided in a Biro pen is unmatchable. The Department of Intellectual Property keeps an eye on Biro for their right to publication for the pen and also used the trade name of Biro without any copyright buying. This made an issue which led to his depression. The capital letter is the trademark that he decided for ballpoint pens. He worked once again for saving the trademark of his ballpoint pens. This time he succeeded in making a new copyright trademark of his ballpoint pens. Leo Hendrik Baekeland. Leo Hendrik Baekeland, born in Belgium on 14th November 1863, was one of the most revolutionary chemists of all time. Soon after his birth, Leo Hendrik Baekeland immigrated to the United States, where he studied chemistry for some years before inventing two of the most useful things for mankind: the Velox photographic paper and bakelite. It was in 1893 that Baekeland invented Velox, which was the first photographic paper that could be printed in artificial light. The right to Velox was sold by Baekeland to Kodak, who, in turn, used his technology to create photographic cameras with reels. A few years later, in 1987, Leo Hendrik Baekeland invented an inexpensive, versatile, and non-flammable form of plastic and named it Bakelite after himself. This synthetic polymer had great utilities, being largely used in the making of jewelry, engine parts, game pieces, and a dozen of other objects. After inventing many other things and setting up a few factories, this talented chemist passed away on 23rd February 1944.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.